It was 10 years ago today that the 2010 Winter Olympics started. And that has nothing to do with anything else I'm going to be talking about. You see, over the past few weeks, many people, and by many people I mean 3 people, have asked me what's been going on with my railroad. I haven't posted an update on it since November. And I say to them when they're in person asking me, I say, well, I've gotten some stuff done, but it's mostly boring. And then these past few weeks I've actually gotten some interesting stuff done, but I want to edit it together in a cool way. And then I realized something when I stayed up till 3 in the morning editing a silly video of me taking a number plate from the Transportation Museum, which I didn't actually take. I bought a replica from Stoddart's that is very nice and very accurate. It actually is bigger than the real thing, and it's very nice. But it's lighter, and it's made out of wood, and it floats, and you can build a bridge out of it. And after I stayed up till 3 in the morning working on that, I realized I should probably not spend so much effort on nonsensical videos of me building my silly railroad. So I will probably get some more videos about it done that don't require as much effort and get the same amount of information across. Like this video is completely unedited, and I'm going to show to you the latest development in my railroad. Now, I've had the hand car for over a year, and I've had that lawnmower train for 10 years almost. But this right here that I'm going to show you, we've had for somewhere in between that amount of time, but I've never showed it off in a video. And I've never run it until now. Or until Sunday, actually, was the first day that I ran it. Not as dignified as my garbage can train, but it gets the job done. The mowing deck doesn't work, but it hauls dirt alright. I'm sure this is the update video that you wanted to see. Definitely more impressive than anything Western Maryland's done recently. Look forward to more videos that are as good as this.